Sit down, dude.
Like, sit down. I'll take you to the hospital right now, dude.
All right, Brian, get in here. Work hard. Down for the team. Let go.
A family calls police after a domestic dispute turns into a frightening confrontation inside their own home. At first, this looks like a simple call about a damaged door and a son who refuses to leave. But as officers enter, the situation becomes much more unstable. What matters here is not just what is said, but how quickly communication, fear, resistance, and officer safety collide in a confined space. Watch closely, because small details in the first few minutes explain why this call escalates so fast.
On April 12, 2026, officers responded to a home following a domestic dispute between a man and his parents.
All right, what happened?
For a while, walking around. He came back and we didn't want him to come in, so we said, we'll put some stuff out for you. We were going to give him money to go get a hotel and whatever.
Sure. The kicked door is more than property damage. For officers, forced entry into a family home signals loss of control, possible violence, and an immediate safety concern for everyone still inside.
He kicked down the front door, and she is petrified.
Okay.
So,
Where's he at? Okay. The front door looks okay. What do you mean he kicked it down?
Yeah,
He kicked it open?
I don't know if he broke it, but he kicked it. It was locked.
Okay. All right. Where's he at in the house?
This first contact is critical. The officer uses Daniel's name and a casual tone, trying to lower tension before giving commands. That is a common de-escalation strategy.
Hey, Daniel?
No. Dude, I gotta take a shower.
Come here.
Look, I had no choice but
Get
to
down
do
here
it.
now.
I literally have to take a shower.
I don't really care. I said get down here right now. Down here.
I'll go.
Down here now.
Look, I gotta get a sweater
No.
on. It's cold.
Let's
Okay,
go.
Fine, I'll go.
Walk down here.
I don't want you to touch me.
Then you start walking and
I'll
I'll
walk
start
with you.
dragging.
Let's go.
Come on. Get down here.
Let's sit and talk. No, that guy locked me out.
Okay.
I
First of all,
had no choice but to do that.
I said to come downstairs. You're not listening.
Dude, listen.
Okay?
I'm listening.
Let's
I
go.
had no choice but to do that.
No, you didn't. You did have a choice. Now
I
come
can't
down
go
here
to
and
the
sit on the
hospital.
chair.
I don't have income, dude.
Okay.
They're sending me bills.
Okay.
Like that. Like I'll go fix it with my dad. I'll go with him to the store. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'll literally.
Why don't you stop acting like
There's
this?
a lot going on.
Okay.
Okay. They keep locking me out.
Exactly.
I didn't even go
Hold
out
on.
with,
Look
like,
at me.
proper
When I left here, you said you were walking and you were going to the.
When Daniel admits he kicked the door but frames it as necessary, investigators hear a justification pattern. He is not denying the act. He is trying to explain why he believed it was acceptable.
Gym.
I couldn't even get there.
You just kicked the door in on the house. That's
Because
not normal
they kept
action.
saying I can't be home.
Okay.
They kept saying I can't go back to no homeless. I don't even have a f***ing ride to a homeless shelter.
So now you're acting irrational,
No, I'm
like
not.
they said.
No, I'm not. I had to do that, man.
No, you did
like,
not.
I literally had
no,
to
you
take-
didn't have to. That's what they call irrational actions.
No,
okay?
well-
So why did you do that?
I did it because he locked the door, and I need to be inside. I need to take a shower. My back's all itchy, man. I got like Lyme
All right.
disease. Like,
I don't care what disease you got. You come down and sit on this chair right now and start listening to me, or otherwise I'm going to drag you down these stairs.
dude, that's please
No,
don't.
I'm telling you, you're not listening. Come sit over here, get off the stairs, and start listening to what you say, or otherwise I'm pulling you down.
Okay,
So
is that-
you don't want me to touch you. I'm giving you the opportunity to be an adult.
Listen, we're
No, no.
talking here.
All right.
Like, is that a threat? Dude, I'm going with you. Please
stand up.
don't touch me.
Stand up and
Please,
start walking
seriously, don't touch me.
downstairs. Start
Okay,
walking
you first.
downstairs.
You first.
No, we've already gone through this. You're going to
Dude,
start moving.
I don't want you to touch me.
I'm going to start
Dan- Daniel.
Let's go.
Daniel.
Dude, I'm gonna meet you guys down.
No,
Daniel.
I'll go
You're not
to
listening.
jail. I'd rather go to jail than to the hospital. Because in jail, like, they didn't.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
Okay,
But
right now-
Okay, then come down
we're
here.
talking on the stairs.
Talk outside
Come on.
then.
Okay, so start listening. I gave the opportunity. Come off the stairs.
Like,
Daniel,
that guy, like,
just make it
he's
easy.
been making my life so hard.
That guy is your father, and you live in his house. Let's be honest here, okay?
But he keeps locking me out.
Well-
How am I supposed to live here if he keeps locking me out?
That's not normal.
I didn't know what to do.
You could have called us.
For what?
Well, that's a
I
problem.
mean, now I have to go help the guy fix it.
You have to tell me. I'm asking you
Like,
to come down off the
I'd rather
stairs.
just go.
Come on, two
go
more
to the Home
steps.
Depot,
Come over here.
Help this guy fix it.
Come over here.
Come on, just sit over here. Why do you gotta make this so much more difficult than it needs to be?
The sister's emergency call matters because officers are not judging only what they see now. They are responding to a reported fear response from another person inside the home.
Come on. We're here because your sister called us screaming and crying on the phone.
You got two more steps, or I'm gonna have to
Come on.
take your wrist and I'm gonna have to touch it.
Dude,
come on.
look, my sister is making like a lot of claims, dude.
Well, that's a fact.
This isn't helping.
Look, I can't like.
You can't listen?
You know what's not helping is you guys being here, man. It's
was
like
lies.
it's not helping. Just why are you opening the door? Like
the sergeant's there.
Come on.
Hey, dude.
Daniel repeatedly says not to touch him and mentions trauma. That can be genuine distress, but for officers, it also creates a tactical problem because distance and compliance are both breaking down.
Dude, let's just
Come on.
talk outside.
Yeah,
I don't.
well, let's go talk
please
outside.
don't touch
Let's
me.
go.
Please do
Let's
not
go.
touch me. I have so much
Let's go.
PTSD from this. Seriously, let's just go for a walk. Seriously,
You can't even make it down
I'm
4 steps.
walking. Do not touch me, please.
Then stand.
Seriously,
No,
please don't.
sit on the chair right here. This is all I've asked of you.
It's like seriously.
Sit down.
What do you guys want to know?
What happened?
This guy, they've been locking me out. They say I have the right to. What's up, Officer Baczynski?
No.
Dude,
What is going on? What is your f***ing problem?
why are you coming at me with issues, man? These people locked me out. They said I live here. Shut the f up.
Do you want to go to the hospital? I'm not f***ing with you. I'm not playing your stupid games. You know exactly what you're doing. I'm not playing
doing
games.
anything, dude.
Sit down.
I literally live
Sit
here.
down or you're going to the hospital.
Dude, just, like, can you take it?
You're not
take
telling
deep
me a
breath?
goddamn thing. Sit down.
Okay, can you just make sure
Sit
not
down.
This is the turning point. Once hands-on contact begins, the call shifts from verbal control to physical control. In tight indoor spaces, that change can escalate within seconds.
touch me, dude?
Sit down, dude.
Like,
Sit
seriously.
down. I'll take you to the hospital right now, dude.
Alright, get in here.
Work hard. Down for the pain. Let go of him. Let go of him. Let go. Go on your dress. Hold on. Feet. 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 Let go of him. Let go of him. I got him. Oh. Wait. Alright, go on. Stop or you're getting tased.
Okay. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now.
Chill, just let me up, man.
Put your hands up.
Please lay in the chokehold.
Put your. Get a set of cuffs.
1120, your status?
Get a set of cuffs. One
Dude.
more, okay. Get 2 more over.
Dude.
Are you done? Stop.
Yes, I'll go with.
The repeated taser warning is important. Officers announce it so other officers know what is happening and to reduce the risk of accidental crossfire or confusion during the struggle.
Stop. Oh, you're going to jail now, dummy. Put your legs out.
1702, your
Let go of
status?
my hand. Stop it right now. The other way. Taser. Taser. Let go. Stop.
Thank you.
Stop. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Can you
Stop.
can I stand? Do I have
You're
to
gonna
somebody-
get some cuffs. Put your hand. Turn around.
Okay, I'm standing. I'm gonna
Turn on your stomach. Turn around and get on your stomach and get tased again.
Just let me stand.
Hands on your head. Hands on your head.
No, dude. I'm going.
You got
I'll go. Dude, let's go.
When Daniel asks to contact his probation officer, that detail suggests legal pressure already exists in his life. For investigators, probation status can affect charging, custody decisions, and risk assessment.
I'll go. Just like, can I please contact my probation officer and tell her this
Give me
is
your hands.
up?
Give me your hand or you're getting tased again.
Dude.
Hand or tased again. I'm gonna tase you right now.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Okay. Stop. Stop right now.
Can we get out of this?
Stop right now. Stop.
To hurt me, dude.
Stop.
Where's my parents' table?
Daniel, stop
right.
resisting, sir.
Okay, I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'll go.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
going.
back.
I'm going.
Stop resisting,
We're
sir.
going. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I need this. I need sandals. Let's go.
Put your hands behind your back.
They are in front. They're cuffed.
behind
I
your
can't. They're cuffed. I can't.
You're en route.
Okay.
Stop. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now.
I'm gonna hit you.
face. Down, on your knees.
I thought
On your knees.
Okay,
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground!
We're going to jail.
On your knees and get down.
What are you guys doing?
Stop. This is a miracle. Somebody hold his legs.
Hey.
John's got his head. I got his
I'm
head.
gonna go get shackles on your throat.
Stop! Stop! Stop, or you're gonna get tased again, sir.
Right.
You're under arrest.
Okay. Can we go peacefully?
No, stop.
Okay, I'm peaceful.
No, you're not.
Seriously, just trust.
No,
Trust.
you're under arrest.
I understand.
Trust
You guys
is done.
have me in a detainment
You're
position.
not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Like seriously. Officer Stanley, what do I do in this situation?
10-4. Set a tasing
I want you
custody.
to roll over. If you don't roll over, I'm going to tase you again. You understand me?
Can we just go outside?
Yes.
Never.
Roll over on your stomach.
lift me and carry me out or
Yes.
what?
Your hands are going behind your back. Your hands are going behind your back.
me first. It's
But you need to roll on your stomach and put your hands out towards that basket.
Can you uncuff me first,
Not until you do that.
Dude, my fucking radio's on South Suburban Major Crimes.
Watch out for blood changes the scene. Blood creates medical urgency, but also officer safety concerns because no one yet knows whose blood it is or how serious the injury may be.
Task force. Dude, I got fucking knocked out in the face.
Guys, easy down. That was. Get us on a
Where'd he kick you?
Right
in the face. I blacked out.
Seriously,
You okay now? Yeah, I'm good now.
like I'm waiting to get up. I thought you were
You're not fucking getting up right now. You're fucking dumb. What the what's the point of that shit?
grab this arm and help Darlene bring it down.
Make sure you can copy me on radio.
Hold that arm. Hold your fucking move. I swear to God. Darlene, what? Stop!
Okay.
Stop right now.
10-4, I copy you.
Or you're getting tased again. Do you understand me?
Fucking hit him with it. I'm gonna hit him with it. I'm gonna fucking tase you if you don't stop.
Stop right now.
It's over.
You put those fucking hands out flat right now, or you're taking a ride on the taser again. Do you understand me,
You
sir?
guys got a lot of weight on my back though.
We're gonna wait for
Murray,
Shax.
Murray, go get the shackles from fucking.
Stop fucking moving, dude.
You're gonna get fucking tased again.
Where's his arms? Where are his arms?
They're handcuffed already. They're handcuffed already.
Are they in the front or the back?
Front.
Stop. Stop.
Watch out for blood, guys. Hey, guys, watch out for blood. All over his shoulders, legs. Hey, are you bleeding? Are you bleeding? No, I'm not. No, that's from his toe.
Dude, who's pushing down my leg?
All right. Get it. Move your leg. Move your leg.
Let go.
Sterling, move your leg.
Please.
We got him.
Come on, man.
Who's on Brian's side?
I need ambulance.
We got it. I'm fucking wait. You gotta relax first.
I promise you. That was. I'm sorry. All right, family. I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry.
Stop. You gotta get his hands behind his back.
I got a spit food in my mask.
Guys.
It's in my left front pocket.
No. Throw it on the new vest. It's lower left pound.
This is down here.
Yes, zipper.
Hey, no, wait. Ryan, move.
I got it. Go.
Dad, I have no choice. Put him on the ground.
Put him on the ground.
Put him on the fucking ground. Go over the fucking ground.
Taser! Stop it or you're going. Grab arms. Stop it or you're getting a ride again. Give the officers your arm.
Hold on.
Give them your arm or you're getting another ride with a taser.
I want to. We gotta try to get hands behind that. Yeah.
All right. Give them your hands.
Legs. Make sure you have legs first.
Peacefully. Stop!
We're good.
Go 2 on 1. Go 2 on.
He's trying to get up, guys.
It's fine.
Keep your knee. Someone lay on his
Come in
head.
here, Darren.
All right, I'm stuck. Hey,
Get off. Get off.
get the f off me.
Murray.
How many split matches? No, I'm not.
Murray.
Tony, watch your.
I have his right arm down. Don't bite.
Don't bite him.
Hold on.
You're gonna get tased again.
You're gonna get tased again. Stop it.
All right, we're done. I just don't want the thing out. Okay.
All right. Don't bite. Don't bite.
I'm not gonna bite you, man.
What are you doing? You just tried.
Dude,
Stop biting me. Give me your hand then. Put your hand towards
my
my hand.
hand is in a cuff.
Oh, you got that arm? Got that arm.
Bring your second arm. Ready? My bad, dude.
You got it.
I'm literally under cuffs. Like, let's just get out of this situation. Just help.
Covered in.
You guys are supposed to be peaceful officers. Like, you took a badge. You took an oath.
Shut the f up.
Dude.
Like, can someone give me some water?
Yeah, we will in a second, all right?
Like.
This statement is significant because officers are now describing alleged assaults on police, a punch and a kick. That changes the case from resistance alone to potential aggravated battery charges.
I didn't want this. I don't. Like.
Neither did we, bro. Just stop talking.
So what? So
What do you mean you didn't want this? You punched a fucking sergeant in the face and then kicked my partner.
dude, well, you guys can't. Hey,
Just stop. Hey, relax.
I didn't mean
It's
to.
over with. It's over with.
Yeah, that's
Like I've been trying to go active duty. You guys know that, like, with something. You know, it's like I'm not trying to fight no more. Okay? Like,
1, 2, 3.
like I don't. That was up. I'll admit. No, that was up. It's like I need some water.
Up there.
Can I get some, like, water
Now give
in
him,
my mouth?
Give him
Like, I
your
don't.
hand for a second,
like-
just on the one
No,
side.
that's not what I want.
But that's got to happen.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're going to have to tase you and touch you again, and we don't want to do that.
Seriously?
I know.
Wait, like, what the?
You should ask yourself that question on the way there.
Like, I don't. Like, I want to chill. I'm glad I'm not dead. Okay, like.
We are too.
And, yeah, what the
We have.
What began as a domestic dispute over access to a home ended with a violent struggle, multiple officers involved, medical concerns, and serious criminal charges. The most important lesson from this footage is how quickly a call can change when fear, anger, mental stress, and physical resistance meet inside a confined space. For investigators, every second matters. The door, the commands, the resistance, the injuries, and the officer statements all become part of the final case. The question left behind is this: could this confrontation have ended differently before the first physical contact?